If a product can't handle these Afro coils, it's not staying in my shower. I was a little nervous about the consistency of the shampoo, but nonetheless, I continued to try this out. The scent, though, I was also nervous about the lather, but look how this turned out. The conditioner, 10 out of 10. Before I even step into the shower, the first thing I do is I detangle my hair, because who's going to step into the shower pretending they are Victoria when they're not and expecting 3 pounds of hair not to come out? That's a dream, and I'm not doing that. So I go ahead and I detangle my hair and I section it out into 4 parts. If my hair is filthy, I go ahead and I twist it. If it's not as filthy, I go ahead and I braid it down. For this video, it is filthy, okay? I probably didn't wash my hair for a whole month. Don't judge me. But anyways, I decided to twist it down because that helps me get into the scalp. The product I'm going to be using today is Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Shampoo and Conditioner. And what is very important to me is when I apply the product, I needed to make sure that it conditions my hair and it makes my hair feel soft and voluminous. That's what we're going for. So if the product doesn't do that, I want it nowhere near my bathroom. So stay tuned to see what the results are. So I go ahead and I wet my hair. I wet it all down. And listen, low porosity problems, why does it take 45 minutes just to get fully wet? Nonetheless, I go ahead and I put the shampoo in my hair. I was very concerned about the consistency because why was it so watery? Anyways, I applied it to my hair and it was doing exactly what I thought it would do, which was it wasn't lathering up fast enough. So I was like, wait a minute, what's happening? So I went ahead and I put some more water in my hair and then I added some more shampoo and voila, your girl was lathering up a little more. So I went ahead and I brushed my hair down, brush it through, brush the shampoo in. I usually use the brush to go through my scalp and make sure that I'm getting rid of all the dry scalp and all the dirt that accumulated on my scalp. So in this clip, this is where I actually add some more shampoo and I go ahead and I wet the hair. So I repeat this process for every section. What I did want to note is the scent of this product, the sweet potato pie. It smells delicious. And I thought, like, you know, if I wash it out of my hair, that maybe the scent will go away. But no, the scent stays in your hair. It makes your hair smell really good. In this clip, I'm just going ahead and continuing to detangle my hair because that's a big deal for me, especially if you have hair that shrinks when it's wet, or you have hair that if you put products that has a lot of chemicals in it, it tend to get hard and dry and shrink even more. So that's important that a product does not do that for me, and this product did not do that at all. So in this clip, I was just testing it out to see if my coils were popping, girl. And my coils was popping a little bit because who got curls? Not me. No curls hair at all. So I go ahead and I repeat the same process. Then I go ahead and I rinse the shampoo out. While I'm rinsing the product out, I just go ahead and brush through my hair one last time just to make sure I'm getting all the shampoo out of my hair and that I'm rinsing it thoroughly. So I do that for every section. time for the conditioner. And let me tell you, a little bit goes a long way, because this conditioner, I had to shake the bottle a couple times because that's how thick this conditioner is. And as it is thick, it is also rich. Like once I put it in, the slip is amazing. It made my hair feel extremely, extremely soft. And I was just like, oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is great. If you haven't watched my video on using the extra creamy hair cream, definitely check it out, because this conditioner is almost giving me the same feeling as the hair cream, which is just amazing as a conditioner. So I go ahead and I retwist my hair. I allow the conditioner to sit in my hair for a few minutes before I rinse it out. And let me tell you, I am truly impressed with this Donna's Recipe shampoo and conditioner. This is going to be my new shampoo and conditioner for the rest of the year, because it is actually amazing. And the price point is not bad, because, we on a budget. We're not trying to be spending too much money on hair products. So I'm very satisfied with the cost of it. I actually bought these when she had a sale on a website where everything was $10. So I just got like a lot of her products. So you could just wait for the sale and then purchase her products. But yes, my review of the shampoo and conditioner, definitely try it out, because I actually loved how it made my hair feel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Would you try these products? Let me know down in the comments down below. After my wash day is complete, I go ahead and air dry my hair, and that's it.